Welcome to Miko's Adventures. I know it's been a minute since I've shared my last vlog, but I had to take a moment to regroup because I was a bit frustrated about a few things. All to say, I have regrouped and I am ready to get back in and just correct some things that was done incorrectly and move forward successfully. I know a lot of times when you try to rush projects, you can overlook things. Not only were things overlooked by Mason or even the laborers, something was overlooked by me as well. So I'm going to share a few clips with you guys.
So nobody's
and
here today.
Hope you enjoy.
Today is Thursday, and it's about 3 o'clock. I see they delivered some more sand. I'm about to go in here and see what's going on. They got water. So, I wonder why ain't nobody here. I'm about to go check it out. All right, bathroom. This is the half bathroom. So I'm just in here paying close attention to detail. I want to make sure my outlets are in the right place. Now this one don't have a window here, and I want one on this side. So I'm gonna have to tell him I want a window here. He just has one over there. This is the only electrical socket I see. See this? Maybe this is for the sink. No, that's for something, and that's for something. Okay, so that's that. So under here is where my sewer tank is. All of this is where the sewer tank is. Okay, so on this wall, I need electricity on this wall. I don't see electrical cords on this wall. I only see an electrical cord here where this kitchen area is, and I only see one. I see one up there in the kitchen. But I need to know where these sockets are going to be. And I see, of course, electrical cords, a lot of them over there. See a lot over there. Okay, so this is kitchen. I don't know why. I thought I wanted this wall open, but I don't even really know. I don't know. This is going to be shelving. I need some electrical sockets over here. I want my sink to be up under this window. This is where I want my sink to be. I think I'll do probably some high cabinets up here, hang some cabinets up here, and put the refrigerator here, I think. Or maybe have cabinet space here, hang some here. Oh, and my stove. Should my stove go on this side? I don't know. So maybe I'll put my refrigerator here. stove here and sink here. And this will be my counter space. It's really dark in this bathroom. I don't like it. We're gonna have to cut another window up here on this side. He just put that little small window in such a big bathroom. Now, it's so dark in here. I can't even see where my plumbing is in this plumbing. Like, I don't see any of my plumbing at all. This is the shit that pisses me off. I don't see any plumbing in here. Nothing. No plumbery, no plumbing. No plumbing here in this bathroom. Okay, so this is that master bedroom on the first floor. And I'm noticing, okay, he put something, I don't know what that is, but I guess that's where electricity will be going. I need electric on this wall as well. And we got something running right here, so that would be like the light switch. But let me show y'all what I really just noticed. This is the master bath, okay? So I'm coming in here because I'm just checking where all of my plumbing pipes and stuff should be. You know, it should be at least 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it should be at least 4 connections in here. Look at this, y'all. I see 0. 0. Like, are you kidding me? I don't see nothing in here at all. I am so mad. Not only that, the plumber, so no, this ain't got nothing to do with the, this is the plumber, okay? This ain't the masons. He didn't make a mistake. This is the plumber. So let me show y'all, like these little black things right here, I should have like 4 of them in that bathroom. There's 0. This is already cracking up. So I don't even know how durable that is. There's 0. Oh my God. So I am glad that they did not concrete this yet. The plumber ain't do his job. He ain't finished his job. That's the garage. I would like water access in this garage as well. Usually it's not, but I want some, so I'm gonna get plumbing access here so I can have water for like a sink or something. Yeah, and I'm just noticing that. So nobody's here today. Okay, I don't know where they at, but they ain't here. So this is the kitchen. So you see how this little black thing is there? That's for water access. Another thing is nobody asked me where I wanted it at. Oh, here's another one in the kitchen. So there's 2. 1, 2. Let me make sure I'm not missing any more. I'm not missing any more here. Okay, so we straight there. I already checked this bathroom. Everything is there. There's something there. This is, underneath here is where the sewer is gonna be, underneath here. So you see how in this bathroom is 4? So I guess sink, you got shower, toilet, but in here I don't even want a toilet. I mean, I don't want a shower, so it will just be a sink and a toilet. And they use, like, I think you call them the Benet, what is it, the little sprayers. So I think that's why they have 2 there. And this is probably for a shower. I don't think I'm gonna put no shower in here. But I know in that master bathroom, I don't have nothing. That is insane. Like, really insane. So this is just, and I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and see, that's how I know I've been learning. Because before, when I first started, I had no idea about nothing. See, this is, see, I have plumbing access here. 1, 2, 3, 4 in this bathroom. The master bedroom bathroom is nothing. So, plumber is fired. I have to find somebody new. And then I'm noticing this here, this piece is cracked. So what is the durability of these things? Like, this is cracked here. Look at that. On top of that, I had plumbing supplies left, and that previous plumber told me he then took it to the neighbor's house. Well, who is the freaking neighbor? And go get it. Like, the neighbor probably sold my stuff. It's just a mess. I am not happy about that. So we got a few more bags here. The mason told me they weren't able to do the pour. I'm about to go up this little ladder. This is the worker's ladder, honey. Okay? Yeah, the last time I tried to get up there, I got up there, but ooh, it had me nervous. Okay, let me go to the front of the house. Let me go to the front of the house. I want some electricity out here as well. I don't see no electrical cords. I want electricity out here. Okay, so I also wanted to share, in the last video, when you came in, you saw these kind of bamboo looking sticks holding the roof up before they do the big pour. And there were also iron rod sticks holding it up. I was told by the mason that somebody came up in here and took the daggone iron rods to hold it up. So that's why they didn't do the big pour yet. Somebody stole their supplies. That's a shame, child. And that's why I said I'm not, I need doors and I need bars for my windows, period. Because this is expensive. Things that God gave us for free, man is charging us for it. Okay? Look, free sand, like sand's from the beach. This whole place is full of sand. Okay, and I got to buy sand. Water you can get from the freaking ocean. Okay? There's an ocean over here. That's the ocean. That's why I'm getting this wonderful breeze. The ocean is over there. The lake is right there. That's a little lake. Okay? But still gotta buy water. Ain't that something? Look at the rocks. Got to buy rocks. All this God gave us for free. And man just messed it all up. I'm telling you. So let me go to the front of the house. Yes, I have to put something on the window.
Yes, there's a window.
Because they come inside.
Yes.
Take. I don't understand why. Okay, I just told these people that everybody. Let me see, this is that. I guess. Okay, so this is the front of the house. He broke that wall down. I noticed that. He broke that wall down. Ça va? Ça va bien?
Vous allez bien?
Wow.
Comprenez le français?
No français. I'm not from France.
Speak English?
Yes.
I speak little English.
I told him
Eh.
some. All right, YouTube, and there it is. I mean, can you believe that I did not have any pipes for plumbing in a freaking bathroom? So everybody failed me. The plumber, at that time, it wasn't the mason that I have now. It was the previous mason. And just, I guess, me not knowing, so trial and error on my part, but it definitely has me thinking about some things. I will go find another plumber. I have a lot of things to do before rainy season starts again, so like the pressure is on. I did want to get a contractor, but I have to price that as well, because I don't want to be losing out on my money. But I just thought that I would come and share with you guys. I have a few more clips that I will be adding soon. So as always, stay tuned. I thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace out.